OnePlus just pulled the curtain back on the OnePlus Turbo, and if this first look holds true, it forces a serious question. Is this even a mid-range phone anymore, or is OnePlus quietly breaking the category in 2026? A massive 9,000 milliamp hour battery paired with 80-watt fast charging isn't just a spec flex. It's the kind of combination that can completely change how you use your phone every single day. But there's one detail that decides whether this becomes a true monster or just another phone with a big number attached. Let's break everything down clearly and connect the dots. Starting with the display, the OnePlus Turbo is expected to feature a 6.8-inch OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. On paper, that's flagship-level smoothness, especially for scrolling, gaming, and long viewing sessions. OnePlus has always been strong with display tuning, but the real test won't be the refresh rate alone. Performance-wise, things get interesting. In China, the OnePlus Turbo is expected to run the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, while global markets may receive the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. That split tells you exactly what OnePlus is targeting here. Strong efficiency, fast everyday performance, and reliable multitasking rather than chasing benchmark records. The key concern is sustained performance. If thermals are handled well and throttling is kept under control, this phone could feel consistently fast in real-world use, not just during short bursts. Cameras, however, are where expectations need to be managed. The leaked setup points to a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel secondary sensor on the back, and a 32-megapixel front camera. A good 50-megapixel main sensor can absolutely deliver excellent results, but the entire experience hinges on that secondary lens. If the 8-megapixel sensor is a well-tuned ultra-wide, it adds real versatility. If it's a weak filler camera, the phone becomes mostly a one-camera device, which limits its appeal for photography-focused users. The undisputed headline feature is the battery. A 9,000 milliamp hour cell combined with 80-watt fast charging is extremely rare in mainstream smartphones. If OnePlus manages the weight, balance, and charging heat properly, this becomes a phone you simply stop worrying about. On the software side, the OnePlus Turbo is expected to ship with Oxygen OS 16. This matters because Oxygen OS has historically made phones feel faster and smoother than their raw specs suggest. That advantage only holds if updates remain clean, consistent, and free from unnecessary bloat. As for pricing and launch timing, the OnePlus Turbo is expected to debut sometime in 2026, likely in the mid-range price bracket, with early estimates pointing to aggressive pricing designed to undercut flagships while offering insane battery life for the money.